Alright, so welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do a chit chat, get ready with me, because y'all, there's so many things coming up that I have to go ahead and update you guys really quickly. And I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for work. It's currently 9:18 and I need to be there by 10 o'clock, so let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Alright, so first things first, there's a hurricane coming up really soon. I think tomorrow or Friday. I can't remember correctly. But it's Hurricane Florence, and it's about to hit North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia. So I want to go ahead and film for you guys because honestly, a lot of people are saying that we're not going to have power, which scares me because I can't upload, I can't do anything. But I am going home just to make sure that I'm safe and everything like that, and my family's freaking out. So I want to make it a little bit easier for them and go home. But I'm kind of nervous because they're saying it's supposed to be like one of the worst hurricanes that's happened in a long time, and I don't know how I feel about that. So hopefully everyone who stays here is okay and safe because it's pretty scary. But yeah, with that being said, you guys, if you don't see anything from me, just know that I'm not being lazy. I either don't have power or I'm struggling to film or something like that. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so the next news is I'm moving, you guys, and honestly, I didn't plan it at all. So basically what happened is my lease ended in July, and I was like, you know what, I don't have anywhere to go right now. I'm just going to go ahead and pay month to month. And I know with that, they're going to go ahead and charge me a little bit extra for rent, and I knew that coming into it. But with that being said, you guys, they literally charged me some crazy price. The first month was a little bit like, okay, you know what, it's doable. The next month, some crazy charge came in there, and I was like, this is wrong. There's something wrong with this. So I went ahead and called the lady, and she's like, oh, what's wrong? I'm like, well, on my screen, I'm seeing that my rent, you know, increased by a certain amount. But on her screen, the price was lower, but for mine, it was higher. So I was like, you know what? I think something is wrong. And she was just like, oh, no, like, it's right. Like, it's charging you the right amount. I'm like, first of all, you're stuttering, so I know you're lying. And one thing I can't stand is liars. So I was like, you know what? Over the phone, she can't take me seriously. So let me go ahead and go in person and tell her that she's wrong. Alright, so I go there and she's like ready for me, y'all. Like, she's like low-key being rude and yelling at the same time. I'm just like staring at her like, you're lying. You're lying. Just stop. Okay? So anyways, with that being said, I was so calm. I was just like, you know what? I want to go ahead and put in my 30-day notice. And mind you guys, I don't have anywhere to stay. I don't have anywhere to move. I was just annoyed and I said it. But I was like, you know what? It's too late right now. You have to go ahead and do it, Chichi. Like, you can't go back right now. So with that being said, I don't want to go ahead and pay the high rent. So I'd rather just go ahead and move in with my friend. So I'm moving in at the end of September, and I'm kind of sad because it's like my real first apartment, you know, by myself, and I just love it here, you guys. I can go ahead and be naked. I can go ahead and just do whatever I want without anyone thinking anything of me. But it is what it is. I want to go ahead and save a little bit of money because I do plan on getting a new job soon. I've been getting a lot of job interviews lately, so I've been doing that on my free time. But I just wanted to let you guys know because I was just mad and I said it, but now I can't take it back because it is what it is. When it comes to moving, it's very, very hard to go ahead and film too. Like, it's almost madness because right now y'all see this right here and it looks perfect, but around me everything is a hot mess. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and try to like pre-film this next couple weeks and have videos for you guys because that's my main goal. And my setup is gonna be completely different. I don't know what it's gonna look like yet because I'm not sure how big her extra bedroom is, because with my lights and my bed and everything like that, it's gonna be a little bit cramped in there. But we'll see how it turns out. I'm very happy because it's my best friend and I do love her. But at the same time, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get a new apartment soon. That way I can just go back to my normal order and just have everything in place. Alright, so right now I'm setting my face with the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Kunafa, and I do want to mention something to you guys. So I may have the opportunity to go ahead and move to Cali, which is so crazy to me because if you guys don't know, I love Cali so much. I love the weather, I love the state. Like, something about it I just love. I don't know what it is. But my brother is so smart, and him and his friends went ahead and created a business, and I can go ahead and be like the social media person or the manager or something like that. Something cool that I do love to do. So if that happens, I'll let you guys know, but I don't want to get too excited because I don't know yet. But just the thought of it just makes me so happy, you guys, because I don't know, I love Cali. I don't know what it is. I've always wanted to move to Cali since I was like 12 years old. I just always wanted to be out there, and if I have the opportunity to do that, you guys, like, I'm gonna be like the happiest person in the whole entire world. Alright, so one thing I do want to mention is the beauty community, and there's been so much drama lately to the point where like I just don't even want to watch it anymore. But I do want to say one thing. I don't want to comment on what's happening because that's those people's business, but in terms of me, I feel like when it comes to brands and micro influencers, I feel like they need to give a lot of people more chances, especially smaller channels. It's so hard nowadays to go ahead and grow your channel, and you know, if we have the opportunity, I feel like we'll just do as great as those who are in the top. I'm not knocking those people down at all, you guys, because they work so hard, and what we do is very, very hard. A lot of people don't know that. It's just that I feel like a lot of smaller channels deserve the opportunity, and that's all I have to say on that, because it's just very problematic at this point. And when it comes to beauty and fashion, it's fun, it's exciting, and that's what it should be. It shouldn't be filled with all this drama and all this extra stuff that we see right now on YouTube. I just feel like it should be fun and exciting. Like, it's makeup. I love doing my makeup. I love talking to you guys. I love filming videos. That's what it should be about. And I just feel like people are missing the whole point when it comes to like the whole beauty industry. So for highlighter, I'm using the Dose of Colors Mirame highlighter, and I've been using this lately. I can't help it. It's like a pretty rose gold shade, and I just love how it looks on the skin because it doesn't have any like glitter in it. It just has a bunch of shimmer, and it just looks so good on the skin. Alright, so it's currently 9:50 and I have to be at work at 10, so I already know I'm going to be late. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little chit chat, get ready with me. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me go ahead and get dressed right now because y'all, I'm about to be late. Love you guys.